And while we're working on animatronics and other exciting storytelling elements, we're also revolutioning the ride systems that form the basis for our attractions so they actually become part of the story. And you can visit any of our parks and see this in action. But today I wanted to share something with you for the very first time. As you probably know, we're building a new Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster in Epcot. It's a one-of-a-kind experience that will feature an innovative ride system and be one of the longest enclosed roller coasters in the world. And before I share more, I want to pause here to acknowledge the amazing life of the great Stan Lee, who passed away earlier this week. Now, Stan was an incredible partner, and he will be missed by those of us who not only work with him, but by the whole world that he inspired. Now, Stan's impact on the world, of course, is tremendous, and he lives on in the stories, characters, and now the attractions that continue to amaze generations of fans and families. And the new Guardians of the Galaxy attraction will continue that legacy, because in this spring, we laid the foundation for this attraction in what was Walt Disney World's largest concrete pour ever. Of course, it's what goes on top of that foundation that's so exciting. And as you may have seen, we're constructing a massive show building. So massive that you could fit 4 spaceship Earths inside. We've also created a coaster unlike anything you've experienced before. We call it a storytelling coaster. Now, on most coasters, the vehicles point straight ahead throughout the ride, but on this attraction, each individual cab will be programmed to direct your eye to the story happening around you. That means instead of whizzing by the action, you'll be fully immersed in the story from the minute you launch. So here's a sneak peek at some early ride testing. Now keep your eye on the yellow coach on the back of the test train to see this innovation in action. We're thrilled to be working with Vekoma to create this incredible attraction, which guests will be able to experience when it opens in time for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary in 2021.